Welcome to the ambitious journey of how to become a millionaire in your teens. In this guide, we'll explore the extraordinary possibilities and strategies for financial success at a young age. From entrepreneurial ventures to smart investments and financial discipline, join us as we unravel the secrets to accumulating wealth while you're still in your teens. Get ready to harness your potential, embrace financial literacy, and embark on a path that could lead to early financial independence and a millionaire's future. Today, we will talk about how to become a millionaire in your teens. The idea of becoming a millionaire while still in your teenage years may sound like a dream, but it's not an impossible goal. In today's world, with access to information, technology, and various entrepreneurial opportunities, teenagers have the potential to build substantial wealth at an early age. This comprehensive guide will explore the strategies, mindsets, and steps you can take to work towards becoming a millionaire while you're still in your teens. 1. Setting the millionaire mindset. Define your goals. Becoming a millionaire is a significant goal, but it's essential to define what it means to you personally. Is it about financial freedom, the ability to pursue your passions, or a specific lifestyle you want to achieve? Clearly articulating your goals will help you stay motivated and focused on your journey. Embrace a growth mindset. Success in any endeavor begins with the right mindset. Cultivate a growth mindset that thrives on learning, resilience, and adaptability. Understand that failures are part of the process and opportunities for growth. This mindset will empower you to overcome challenges and setbacks along the way. Financial literacy. To build wealth, you must understand the fundamentals of money, including budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. Take the time to educate yourself about personal finance, learn about different investment options, and seek out financial mentors or resources to guide you. 2. Identifying income sources. Entrepreneurship. Starting your own business or side hustle can be one of the most effective ways to generate income. Identify your interests, skills, and passions, and explore how you can turn them into profitable ventures. Whether it's selling products online, offering services, or developing a unique app or product, entrepreneurship offers immense potential for wealth creation. Freelancing and online work. The gig economy has opened up a world of opportunities for freelancers and remote workers. Consider freelancing in areas such as writing, graphic design, programming, or digital marketing. Online platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients seeking their skills. Investing. Investing your money wisely can accelerate your path to millionaire status. While traditional investing options like stocks, bonds, and real estate can be effective, consider exploring alternative investments like cryptocurrencies, peer-to-peer lending, or startup investments through crowdfunding platforms. 3. Building a strong financial foundation. Budgeting and saving. Creating a budget is crucial to managing your finances effectively. Track your income and expenses to identify areas where you can cut costs and increase your savings. Aim to save a significant portion of your income, even if it means making sacrifices in the short term. Emergency fund. Establishing an emergency fund is a fundamental step in financial planning. An emergency fund provides a safety net in case of unexpected expenses or financial hardships. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. Debt management. Avoid accumulating high-interest debt whenever possible. If you have debt, prioritize paying it off, starting with debts carrying the highest interest rates. Being debt-free will free up more of your income for saving and investing. 4. Investing for long-term growth. Start early. The power of compound interest is a crucial factor in building wealth. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even small, regular contributions to your investments can compound significantly over the years. Diversification. Diversifying your investment portfolio helps spread risk and increase the potential for long-term growth. Consider investing in a mix of assets, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative investments. Diversification can protect your wealth from market volatility. Retirement accounts. Take advantage of tax-advantaged retirement accounts, such as a 401 or individual retirement account (IRA). These accounts offer tax benefits and long-term growth potential. Starting to save for retirement in your teenage years can set you on a path to financial security later in life. 5. Leveraging technology and opportunities. Harness the internet. The internet is a valuable tool for wealth creation. Learn to leverage online platforms for marketing, networking, and selling products or services. Whether it's through e-commerce, social media marketing, or content creation, the internet offers vast opportunities for entrepreneurial success. Learn new skills. Continuous learning is essential in a rapidly changing world. Invest in your education and acquire new skills that are in demand. Online courses, tutorials, and educational platforms provide accessible ways to enhance your knowledge and expertise. Networking and mentorship. Building a network of like-minded individuals and mentors can provide valuable guidance and opportunities. Attend industry events, join online communities, and seek out mentors who can offer insights and advice on your entrepreneurial journey. Becoming a millionaire is not without challenges and setbacks. There will be moments of doubt and frustration. However, maintaining a strong sense of perseverance and determination is key. Focus on your long-term goals and keep moving forward, even in the face of adversity. Becoming a millionaire in your teenage years is a challenging but attainable goal with the right mindset, strategies, and dedication. Remember that wealth creation is a journey, and it may not happen overnight. Stay focused on your goals, continue learning and adapting, and embrace the opportunities that come your way. With perseverance and financial discipline, you can set yourself on a path to financial independence and achieve your millionaire dreams while still in your teens. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.